So gang, this is a private auction lot. Y'all see how many cars out there? Y'all see how big this thing is? This thing is about 2 miles, man. 2 miles in circumference of cars everywhere. Now, like I say, this is private for dealers only. This is not like the public auction. Public auction is where they sell trash cars, where people sell their broken cars. Private auctions have great trade-in cars. Cars that newer dealerships don't really deal in older used cars, so they send them to the auction. And so we have access to all of these cars, all right? So today, I'm about to begin my assessment. I got about 20 cars on my list, so I gotta get to work, all right? Y'all follow me. All right, so first I got on my list this little 2015 Hyundai Veloster. Got 127 on the miles. All right, little hatchback. So let's do the assessment. All right, so first things first, it started up good, all right? So in Texas, it's pretty hot, so we have to check the AC right away, all right? Because that's super important. Car can run amazing. If it ain't got no AC, you ain't selling it in Texas. So let's see if the AC is good. Next, we check to see if all the windows is working. Definitely don't want to have to buy no window regulators. All right, so all the windows working. AC is now cold, feeling good. All right, so now we got to look under the hood. But before I look under the hood, I'm going to do something that you really ain't supposed to do here at this auction, and that's kind of drive them. I got to kind of drive it a little bit, make sure everything's okay with it. Feels good. Feels really good. All right. Now the car drove well. I just took it for a good little spin around the auction. It drove good. I don't like the inside of this engine bay. It just looks like it hasn't been very well maintained, right? But that doesn't mean it's not a good car, okay? So we're gonna check out the engine oil first. First thing you wanna do, we already know the car is not overheating because I let it run for a while. So one of the first things you do is let a car run for about 5 minutes. Then you drive it. It's gonna let you know everything it needs to let you know, all right? So we're gonna first take a look at this engine oil. Okay, it looks pretty good. All right, it's clear. We definitely don't want to see nothing looking like milk chocolate, right? If you see anything looking like milk chocolate, then that means you got a blown head gasket, all right? So you want your engine oil to be clear. You want to check the texture of the engine oil, make sure there ain't no metal flakes in it, all right? So we know it don't run hot. No, the engine oil looks good. Didn't have any check engine lights on, all right? So for right now, I would deem this a good car to put on my list to buy. All right, next up, we got this 2014 Jeep Compass. It's got some body damage over here, a few dings, but like I say, guys, we sell used cars. We don't sell new cars. So it's still a good-looking car, a few body dings. Got 167 on the mile. Once again, mileage means nothing. That's something that I'm continuously trying to teach you guys. If a car is good, it's good. It don't matter what the miles is. So it's got 167 on the miles. Got no check engines on. I already got it running. We got to check that AC. Okay, so let's see what we got on the AC side of things. Let's get that going. All right, quick window check while we listen to some Kehlani, baby. All right, this window's good. That window's good. That window's good. All right, the windows is all good. AC is nice and cold. No check engine lights. Okay, y'all know what's next. We got to take it for a spin. All right. So this one is a no good. We just got a transmission issue. Yep, got a real jerking chicken, baby. Like jerk chicken. Y'all see how this work now? We assess the cars, homie. We make sure we don't want to buy a transmission problem. This motherfucker got a transmission problem, so it is not going on my list. You know what I mean? Now some lazy dealer is not gonna come out here and check this car out. They're gonna buy this car, then they're gonna put it on their lot, and they're gonna have to get their money back out of it. And that's how y'all end up getting them bad cars from slimy dealers, because they don't check these cars. This one has a transmission issue. I'm not interested. I only buy cars that's good to go. So yeah, this one had a transmission issue. Definitely not going on my list. Moving along. So I'm getting ready to look at this 2015 Hyundai Accent 4-door. Little hatchback, 119 on the miles, which is good. I already got it running because I want to get the AC cold. Don't feel like it's got no cold AC though. And it's got a check engine light on, okay? Now listen, guys, this is not a death sentence. Check engine light is not a death sentence. The check engine light is the most sensitive tool on a car, okay? Cars have thousands of sensors, hundreds of sensors. I'm sorry, I'm over exaggerating a little bit, but cars got hundreds of sensors on them. These sensors, they go bad. That don't mean a part has gone bad. The sensor's job is to relay information to the computer. So when the sensor goes bad and it can't relay information to the computer, you get a check engine light. Now, some check engine lights are death sentences or bad deals, but there are some that are not. And you guys just have to have the knowledge or trust somebody that has the knowledge. So right now, I'm going to be using my code reader. All right, this has been my trusty code reader forever. I've had more expensive ones, but I've had this one for almost 10 years, 15 years, and it's never failed me. So I'm gonna put my code reader on it, see what code it's given. If it's a code I can live with, something that'll be easily fixable, then I'll go ahead and put it on my list. If not, I'll can it. All right, let's see what the code is reading. So before I do the code, I'm gonna just drive it real good. Make sure it's a good car. All right, it feels good. Everything feels good. Everything feels good. All right, driving at the auction, baby. Gotta be careful out here. God, please protect me, because you know I ain't supposed to be driving these cars. But everything feels good in this car, okay? So it's definitely a car that I will put on my list. It's definitely a vehicle that I will add to my list. So it drives good, but the AC is not cold, all right? Could be low on Freon, could be have a bad compressor. That's definitely gonna make the price more cheaper for me, but that's money that I gotta put into it, guys. So now y'all kind of seeing what we have to do. So I gotta buy a compressor, get the compressor put on, get it, you know, I don't know what else I gotta do to, but that's one of the things. And like I say, guys, you can't get these cars from us for cheap because we have to put time, effort, energy, money into these cars, all right? Let's check out the code. Got my OBD hooked up, all right? So then we're gonna hit read, and let's see what code it's giving us. All right, so we got 3 codes. We got a P0017, okay, and a P0011. So it's only 2 codes. P007 is a pending code, all right? So I'm gonna read up on those and we'll decide whether we can take this one or not. All right, this, trying to figure out why it does that when I shift the gears. And then I'm hearing some rattling in there. It drives good, it's got AC, it's got cold AC. All the windows look like they working. All right, it's got a code on it, so let's see what the code is pulling. Damn. Damn, this motherfucker got 10 codes. That's a record breaker right there. What the fuck? P0A82 935. I'm not fucking with this thing. Oh goodness. All right, this is gonna be the last one that I filmed for the day, guys, but I hope this helped y'all understand what the process of a dealer is. All right, guys, this concludes my assessment day. I've completely ran through my list. Got some good cars on the list, man. We're gonna be getting some good stuff out there on the lot. I should buy these cars tomorrow. I should have them on lot by Thursday, but don't ever show up the first day they hit the lot. We gotta clean them. We've gotta assess them. I gotta take another couple days and just drive them real good before I sell them to you guys. That's what I do, guys. Okay, buying a used car is incredibly risky. The risk does not change. Come to somebody like me. Let me be your car agent. Somebody who assesses the cars, make sure the cars are right before we sell them, okay? Check in with your brother, Big Rob, man. San Antonio's Cash Car King. Peace.